And Nick, what do you think?
It's just great.
This is completely new type of vehicle we designed exclusively for this Mercedes-Maybach brand. Basically, we combined the globally and also in China two most successful car archetypes: a three-box sedan limousine and an SUV. And so for that, it's almost a no-brainer that that's a successful concept. You see, it's an impressive car. It is huge, it has status presence, it has all this sophistication I talked about, the modern luxury. Well, with our Vision Mercedes-Maybach Ultimate Luxury, we wanted to make a strong statement towards ultimate luxury, because this is really what Mercedes-Maybach stands for. And so it had to be a car with a lot of impact, with a lot of status, but still very clean, very beautiful, very sporty.
China offers fascination both in the compact premium sphere as well as in the top luxury segment. Again here, for us, China is the biggest Maybach market in the world. If you look at the Maybach S-Class sales, 60% of Maybach sales go to China. So we came up with our local advanced design center here in Beijing to combine the two most fascinating and most important market segments, sedan and SUV, and bring together a new vision of car, the Maybach Ultimate Luxury vision, which blends the advantages of these two segments. And you will find some very specific Chinese features, beautiful backspace for distinguished guests, handmade porcelain for the tea ceremony, which we offer in this car, so some very distinct Chinese features.
I've always liked this busy and colorful Beijing neighborhood. I think it really says a lot about the lifestyle of young people in China today. As you can see, we tried to capture some of that fresh sunlit tune feel here on the inside too. The new A-Class we'll unveil tonight also has a focus on the rear. It's also made exclusively for the Chinese market. The A-Class Sedan long wheelbase version is unparalleled in the compact segment. It brings together outstanding comfort, a fresh and dynamic design, as well as top-notch technology. And it also takes safety and driver assistance to a new level. Some features were even taken over from its big brother, the S-Class. Before we take a look at the new A-Class L Sedan, I'd like to point out just one feature I'm really proud of, our new MBUX. We know that many people in China adore all things mobile, all things connected, and all things digital. And we'll bring all of this together in our brand new Mercedes-Benz user experience. With MBUX, you can tell your Mercedes you are cold and it will turn up the heat. Or you can ask what the weather is going to be like in Beijing next Thursday, and MBUX will check the forecast and air quality index for you. For the first time, you can now talk in natural language to your car, just as you would to a good friend. The new A-Class generation is at least as dynamic and sporty as the previous one. At the same time, it's more functional. You have more room, you have better visibility, and many other aspects. It's more comfortable, so it has a fantastic chassis. But clearly, the most important part of this new A-Class is the interior, there specifically the MBUX.